Hey, Henry, why is it that fathers don't trust their children enough to ask them of what they heard about them? They just conclude on whatsoever they hear about them. All right, sweetheart, let me tell you one thing about trust, all right? Trust is not something that is just easily given. Trust is something that you earn. And as a father, listen, every father has a point in their life they trust their children. If your father no longer show any sign of trust towards you, that is because you are broken in trust. It's trust, knowingly or unknowingly. You have to trace yourself back. You have to trace your step back. There is somewhere, somehow, you have actually default. So if you are in a position where your father conclude on you without asking to know if a thing is true about you, that is because he no longer trusts you. And he no longer trusts you not because he decides not to trust you. Because somewhere, somehow, there is something you have done. 98% of the time, there is something you have done, not something he heard about you. No, there is something you have done, something he have seen about you, he have witnessed about you, that made him lose trust in you. So that is the reason why your dad is no longer showing any sign of trust. And the way to fix this is to actually start proving yourself trustworthy to him. And as much as you are honest, if you can be consistent in it, gradually, I can assure you, you will surely earn back his trust. Thank you. That's my answer for you.